From this position is a tall kneeling. My shoulders are above my hips are above my knees. From here I can squeeze my butt. Next thing I want you to look at, my feet. So your feet can either be as such flexed, with my toes curled under, or they can be flat. And the width of your legs can be hip width apart for now, because this is a movement you are going to explore. More importantly, you should know where you should not feel it. You should never feel the sissy squat movement on your lower back or on your neck. I'm going to cross my arms, I'm going to go sideways, flex my feet as I told you. I'm going to squeeze my arse just to start. I inhale, and here's my eccentric, 3, 2, 1. And from this position, as I come back to a tall kneeling position, you should notice my head, my shoulder, my spine, my torso, my hips and my legs move as one unit. What I'm not doing is leading with the head and then kind of arcing and doing a hyperextension like a rainbow. Practice like 10 to 15 reps. You can have somebody behind you to tap your mid-back just to kind of gauge how far you're going to see if you're hyperextending. At the end of the day, we never want to free our lower back. Notice I'm repeating that. You want to explore the movement, and I guarantee if you do this frequently, you will feel these muscles like you haven't felt them before. And Sing Sing agrees. Enjoy the exercise.